I'm actually not even 14 years old. I'm actually 14 billion years old. Everything you see, the sky, your friend, your lazy face, and even the concept of time came from nothing. In fact, the universe was once so small that it was the size of a pinhead. ये है कहानी यूनिवर्स के सबसे बड़े धमाके की, The Big Bang.
What happened to you? You were just fine a few minutes ago.
No, I'm being serious. I'm actually made up of the Big Bang's leftovers. 13.8 billion years ago, there was nothing.
Exactly. No stars, no time, no galaxies, just a singularity, an infinitely dense point.
And then, boom, the Big Bang. In fact, this explosion wasn't even into space, it created space and time.
Exactly. Time did not exist before it, right? Space and time, they were born together like cosmic twins.
Exactly. So, how did this all energy become us?
Okay, so in the first few minutes, the universe cooled down and energy became matter.
Okay.
Protons, electrons, neutrons, then formed stars and galaxies and eventually life.
This reminds me of a verse I read in Surah Al Anbiya. Have those who disbelieved not considered that the earth and the heavens were a combined entity and we separated them?
Wow, amazing! That hints towards Big Bang. I feel like science gave a name to something that was already revealed 1400 years ago.
Exactly, and then over billions of years, the universe evolved into us.
Do you know the total energy of the universe is zero?
How? I mean, there's stars, galaxies, and everything.
Okay, so it's the matter has positive energy and the gravity has negative energy.
Oh.
So they cancel out each other.
Okay. So the universe came from nothing and it still balances to zero, right? If the universe settings were just 1% different, the atoms, gravity, expansion, life, us would not have existed as we do. So this timing, this pressure was perfect, and it could not have happened randomly, right? There must have been a creator, an aggregator, or simply Allah who has designed this thing so perfectly and brought us into existence, right?
You know what? The fact that we try to explain Quran with relevance to science when it's actually Quran that explains science itself.
अभी भी universe expand होता जा रहा है, बढ़ता जा रहा है due to dark energy.
Yes, exactly. And do you know what? The universe, 95% of the universe is invisible. जैसे तुम्हारा homework होता है.
देखो जरा, even the universe is full of stuff I can't understand, just like maths class.
Dream on बेटा. Big Bang से तो बच गई, लेकिन math teacher का कोई भरोसा नहीं है.